Okay, did the fuel filter modification. The larger fuel filter is coming out of the fuel tank and back to the fuel pump, and then it comes back up to the original engine fuel filter. I bent the bracket just a little to make room for the canister fuel filter. It comes off of an L series Kubota, so we are still dealing with Kubota parts. I might have to come out and put some wrap on my hose to keep it from rubbing through in any spot, but I've got it away from the front drive shaft. Got it zip tied underneath. I don't know if we're going to be able to see anything, but we'll give it a shot. So there you have it, folks. I just put a longer bolt for that bracket. It's just got one hole holding it. I don't think there's going to be any problem. I'll double check and make sure it stays tight. If it starts loosening up, I might have to put a second clamp somehow to keep it from the bracket from twisting. But there you go.